Boys and girls of all ages, hello! I am the author of Secret Reunion in Carfax Lodge, the first episode in what shall hopefully be known one day, far and wide, all over the world, as the Giffen in Hell saga. Call me Helada.
I come to present to you the chance to fund the printing of a book that is completely different.
A fantastic tale of demonic romance, locked within a hellish dynamic puzzle.
This book follows the exploits of an artificial wolf, a fugitive once revered as a hero across the stars. In a far distant future, this lupine machine steals a world and bleeds it to fuel the production of an endless series of illusions, a wedding gift for his high school sweetheart.
This sumptuously visual graphic novel portrays a world transformed into a dream by near-omnipotent technology. Printed in lush, offset color, hardbound, Secret Reunion in Carfax Lodge is composed of 130 hellish rainbow visions and 130 pages of cryptic text to go along with them. A near 300 pages long absurdity that I've tirelessly worked on for years.
I wanted to make a book that you could read only to find out you know less about it after putting it down than before picking it up. This is the book you don't even know you want. It's meant to lead to new cravings that don't even have a name yet, beyond the world as we understand it today.
Your hard-earned dough will allow something completely different, fierce and complex and ambitious to be printed, and reward long years of earnest work.
I built this book to be bigger than me, to be bigger than itself also, to be used as a lens to discover new things in the books and films you already love, to build a new era,
to destroy the wall that separates one work of fiction from another, and fiction itself from what we call reality. Everything is done and ready. The book is 100% complete. All that is left is printing and shipping, and that's where you come in.
Line up for terrifying wonder and wondrous terror. Line up for a serious meal. Line up to get the air punched out of your lungs. Giffen in Hell begins right now.